Hi, I'm Yoshihiro Itabashi, and in this episode, we will be discussing thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the study of energy. It comes from the Greek words therm meaning heat and dynamis meaning power. It is the study of various processes that change energy from one form to another in a given system. A system in thermodynamics is known as the region of study. Anything can be considered as a system. Anything can be considered as a system. And anything outside that system is known as the surroundings. Separating the surroundings and the system is the boundary. It is important to note that boundary has zero thickness, zero mass, and zero volume. It is represented by an imaginary line as we can see in this figure here. There are two kinds of systems, an open system and a closed system. An open system is a system where mass can flow through its boundary freely. For example, this image is a jet engine. It is an example of an open system because when a jet engine is in operation, air will flow into it and combust with the jet fuel, and exiting it is an exhaust or burned gas. And a closed system is a system that does not allow any change in mass. No mass will flow, no mass will be able to cross its boundary regardless if it wants to go in or out of the system. One example of a closed system is a reciprocating engine or a piston engine. When air or fuel is inside the system, it cannot go out. Its volume can change, its temperature can change, but the mass inside the system will not change. That is a closed system. Next is an isolated system is a system which neither mass nor energy can flow through its boundary. Meaning regardless of anything that is happening in the surroundings, no energy can go in or out of the system. Same for the mass. And as we finish the different kinds of systems, we will go through its properties. A system has many different characteristics, and those characteristics are known as properties. There are two classifications of properties. It is intensive properties and extensive properties. Intensive properties are properties that are not dependent on the amount of matter inside a system. Example of which is temperature and pressure. While extensive properties are properties that are dependent on the amount of matter in a system, such as the mass of a given system. If you want to learn more about these properties, stay tuned for my next video, and that's all for this video, and thank you.